Hello, I'm Michael Wall, Medical Director of the Illinois Poison Center. The IPC is the nation's oldest, as well as Illinois' only certified poison center. And as an organization, we are dedicated to reducing the incidence and injury due to poisoning in our great state. Last year, we answered over 86,000 emergency phone calls from the general public and healthcare providers. 49% of those calls involved children under the age of 6. The reality is, however, poisoning, or the severity of poisoning, has increased dramatically. Unintentional poisoning is now the leading cause of injury-related death in our nation, having surpassed the deaths from firearms and motor vehicle accidents in the past few years. Poison centers stand at the center of the response to this burgeoning public health epidemic, and we can reduce the harm of poisoning in 3 ways. 1, through the state-of-the-art recommendations with our emergency call center services. 2, by reducing the poisoning or the incidence of poisoning in our communities with our education and outreach programs. And 3, with our monitoring and tracking programs or systems which can identify as well as track new and ongoing public health threats. Since 2010, however, we have suffered a reduction in state funding of about 31%. In that same time period, our federal funding has declined 36%. And this has led us to make some very difficult decisions. In the past couple of years, we've had to reduce our staffing hours by about 25%, and this has caused us significant operational difficulties. Our caller wait times have essentially tripled during this time period. Still, despite the cutbacks, we feel we're able to maintain a level of service that meets the needs of most Illinoisans. But the truth of the matter is, we cannot afford to take any more cuts in funding. And this is where we need your help. We would ask that you follow the link at the bottom of the screen and send a letter of support to your elected officials requesting continued funding for the Illinois Poison Center. And the truth of the matter is, every letter does count. So if you could forward this to your friends and family, we would greatly appreciate it. As always, our poison experts stand ready 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year to help you at 1-800-222-1222. If you'd like more information on the Illinois Poison Center, please go to illinoispoisoncenter.org. Thank you.